Hi guys, thank you to all the new followers of the Dumbbells and Donuts Facebook page. As you have noticed, I haven't posted an update on my, because I cut out refined sugar in the week and was doing fantastically for like 6 or 7 weeks. And yes, but the reason I haven't posted an update recently is because it kind of went off the rails for the last 2 weeks. It's not an excuse. It's not a good excuse, but it is my excuse that my brother and my dad came to visit LA, which is where I am at the moment, and it started by me wanting to take them to all these places to like try like this frozen yogurt or this donut or whatever, and then I was like, well, I've got to try it too because it'd be rude not to, blah blah blah. Anyway, so it didn't go completely off the rails. Like I wasn't eating crap all the time, but like I was eating sometimes like refined sugar in the week, and I just it doesn't make you feel good. I've been feeling like cack and like just lethargic and gross, and I also have not been drinking enough water. It was not a good combination. So but I thought, how do I make this into a positive thing? And I want to make it known that it's like not the end of the world if you fuck up on your diet. It shouldn't be seen as a diet. It should be seen as like a lifestyle. So, you know, the thing about when you look at it like a diet is you'll think that like little fuck ups and like little dips along the way are like, oh my god, fuck, I've ruined it all. I've ruined my diet. Ugh, give me a piece of cheesecake, right? I understand. But it can't be like that. It's like this. It's not like this. And it's not like good, one fuck up, oh shit. It's like getting better. Oh, we had a slip up. Getting better. Little slip up, getting better. But as long as you're genuinely going up and getting healthier day by day, and like your mentality is, you know, I'm just going to try my best to eat healthy food, but, you know, once in a while, it's not the end of the world. That's a better way to look at life. And that's the only sustainable way to do it. So what I'm going to do now is I am going to post. So I thought it would be a good opportunity now that I'm like not starting again, but like revamping my diet. I thought it would be a good opportunity to show everybody who maybe hasn't ever tried to like revamp their diet and how they think about food and eating. And so I'm gonna film and like take pictures and edit like stuff and put it on the Dumbbells and Donuts Facebook page about like how like the first steps into like changing up your diet in a sustainable way, like for the long term, without being miserable or calorie counting, because that's bollocks. So please don't do that. All right, so tomorrow, so I'm defrosting a giant turkey breast right now, and I'm gonna cook it tomorrow. Then I will let it cool, chop it into portions, put it into packets, freeze it, blah blah blah, season it, etc. I'll try to remember to film that. If not, I'll take photos and tell you how to do it. Then I've got some veg that I'm gonna chop up and get ready. Rice, I think you know how to cook rice. I still don't, so it's probably not really good me filming myself making rice, because I'll probably mess it up. I normally end up getting microwavable rice, which is like pre-cooked, so I can't fuck it up even if I try. I swear I can make like macaroons, but I can't make rice. Anyway, so yes, I'll do that. And then even little things like what you should get to just keep in your cupboard, like backups to keep in your fridge. Like if you run out of your prepped food, like, you know, there's this type of cheese that Trader Joe's does that actually has really great like macro breakdowns. So like it's got like very high protein, high fat, but like good natural fat. But yeah, like per slice it's like 10 grams of protein. It's great. And so if you do ever like, I'm like, oh crap, I haven't defrosted chicken or whatever, have a few slices of that with like in like a salad with some rice, whatever, you're good. So yes, I will be breaking down how to like really do the first steps of getting into a healthy lifestyle. So if you're not already following Dumbbells and Donuts, you're watching this video, so you must be like aware of the Facebook page, but if you're not following, press follow, because then I think you get notifications and that's where you want to be. And yeah, if you're not following me on Instagram, I am at Megatron, which is Megatron, because for some reason Megatron, the original, was taken by some robot. So yes, I hope you enjoy it. I hope it's helpful. Let me know in the comments if there's anything in particular you'd like to know. So for example, like, oh, what snacks are good to have in my dry storage, what kind of dairy products are good, etc. You know, questions. You know how they work. Yeah, so I hope you enjoy. Have fun.